In this video, we're installing a wall-mounted fan because we're going to keep things nice and cool in the garage. So stick around and be prepared to be blown away.
Hey guys, this is Josh and welcome to Oxman DIY. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more home improvement, DIY, garage, and tool review content just like this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a wall-mounted fan in your garage and shop. All right, so why do we want to install a wall-mounted fan in our garage or shop? Well, it's obvious. We just want to circulate some air in our garage, keep things a little bit cooler. Right now, it is over 100 degrees outside of my shop, and inside, it's about 80 degrees. I'm fully insulated. I have insulated walls. I have bats up in my attic space, and then I have insulated garage doors, and I have nice windows. So that is keeping me at 80 degrees under 100 outside, which is crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this Masterforce oscillating wall-mounted fans, about 20 inches, gives you about a 90-degree sweep, has over 4,500 max CFM, and it has about 3 speeds. I picked this up at Menards for just under $100, and if you have the 11% rebate, you can cash that money in by cashing in the rebate. Has a 3-year warranty, stainless steel, looks really nice, looks perfect for a garage. So we're going to mount this central located within the garage. It's going to have that nice little sweep back and forth just to circulate the air. So let's get this unboxed and let's get it installed. All right, so we got everything on the table. Everything looks really good. So here is the front and the back of the fan assembly. Inside was the instruction manual and the 3-year warranty card, so make sure you check those out. Here's the back of the fan right here. You have to take all these ties off in order for this to move and mount it to the motor assembly. It comes with some anchor bolts right here, so if you're going to be putting this in a cement wall, you're going to need those. Here is a heavy-duty mounting bracket where the fan is going to be resting on. Here is the motor with a pull chain and the plug. So everything is right here. We're going to get this all assembled and we're going to mount this on the wall. All right, so here's a central location in my garage. I go have a receptacle up here on the wall that's going to be perfect. It's going to take some of this art off, and there's going to be a stud going down the center right here, so we're going to be mounting it right there. Nicely central located. It's going to circulate that air in my garage. All right, so we got the bracket mount mounted to the wall. We're using some really good wall screws. They're going to be heavy duty. It's going to go right into a stud. Make sure when you're using your stud finder to find your stud that you're not going into any electrical. So make sure you verify that before you're doing any drilling or screwing into the wall. All right, so we're going to mount this on here. And then there's going to be 2 screws in the back that you want to tighten. All right, so we got the fan all installed. It looks really great. So this pull chain over here, I'm gonna take all this off. So the pull chain over here is gonna oscillate back and forth. And then the pull chain over here to the right, you're going to have low, medium, and high. Woo! That feels really good. That's moving a lot of air. Wow! All right, we're gonna wrap up this video, and man, this fan feels a lot better in here. It's actually circulating the air around. I'm actually not sweating anymore because this is just gonna help evaporate that sweat off of my body, and it's just, it feels good. If we actually want to lower the temperature in this garage, we want to get an air conditioner, and that's going to be on a future video. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more home improvement, DIY, and garage videos. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below. I'll answer them the best I can. We'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Josh with Oxman DIY.